So installing Python is actually very simple. Go to www.python.org. Once you're at the website, go to Downloads. If you have Windows or Mac OS X, select the version that best fits for you. I'm on a Mac, so this is obviously defaulting to the Mac OS X. Once you download it, you double-click on the file, and it will run through the self-installation. Now on my Mac, all I have to do to run the program is I can go to my applications here. And inside my applications, I have the program idle, which I've also put down here. Here's idle. That opens up Python. On Windows, you can also go to your applications, open up idle, or in Windows 10, there's a magnifying glass in the lower left-hand corner. Click on that, type in IDLE, and it should appear. God bless you, wherever you are today.